Okay, this is our landscaping contract for Knocklyn. It's a low maintenance garden created using contrasting paving materials, which is oatmeal granite contrasting with the silver granite. We have a raised edge using reclaimed cobble. We've softened the steel shed with a Buddha head and retractable clothesline, Wexford beech pebble. The planting is a mixture of perennials and shrubs, and we have a raised bed to give us maximum height and screening with Laris Janula, a lovely hedge. We also have garden lighting throughout. Okay, thank you. Bye.